Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Lily. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good. Today, I want to talk about our favorite musical instruments. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I think music is very important and fun. I like to play an instrument and listen to songs.
That is great. What is your favorite musical instrument?
My favorite instrument is the guitar. I like the guitar because it has a beautiful sound and is very easy to carry. I love to play simple songs on it. How about you, Lily?
I really like the piano. The piano sounds very calm and lovely. I enjoy playing soft melodies on the piano.
That is interesting. Why do you like the piano so much?
I like the piano because it has many keys and you can play both high and low notes. It makes me feel relaxed when I play. I also like that you can play many different styles of music on the piano, like classical, pop, or jazz.
I see. The piano is a very versatile instrument. I like the guitar because I can play it anywhere. I often take my guitar to the park and play some songs while sitting on the grass. It makes me feel free and happy.
That sounds wonderful. I sometimes go to a small music room in my school to practice the piano. The room is quiet and I can hear the music very clearly. I also like to listen to piano music on my phone when I relax at home.
Yes, listening to music is very relaxing. Do you remember when you first started playing the piano?
Yes, I do. I was about 7 years old when my parents gave me a small keyboard. At first, I learned simple songs like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. It was very fun and easy. Now I can play more complex pieces.
That is nice. I started playing the guitar when I was 10 years old. My older brother had a guitar and he taught me a few chords. I learned to play songs like Happy Birthday and Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now I love to play pop songs and even write my own simple tunes.
Writing your own songs sounds very creative. Have you ever performed in front of others?
Yes, I have. Last year, I played a few songs at a school talent show. I was very nervous at first, but when I started playing, I felt calm and happy. The audience clapped and smiled, and that made me feel great.
That is amazing. I have not performed in a big show yet, but I sometimes play for my family at home. They always tell me I play well, and that makes me want to practice more.
It is nice to have support from family. Do you take piano lessons?
Yes, I do. I take lessons once a week at a music school near my home. My teacher is very kind and patient. I learn new songs and practice scales. I also get to play with other students sometimes, which is fun.
I also take guitar lessons. I go to a small music academy on Saturdays. My teacher shows me new chords and songs. Sometimes we even play duets, which is very exciting.
That sounds like a good way to learn. I think practicing with others makes you better and more confident.
Yes, I agree. I try to practice every day for about 30 minutes. I play my favorite songs and sometimes even try to learn a new chord. It is hard sometimes, but I enjoy it.
I try to practice the piano for at least 30 minutes each day too. I work on scales, simple exercises, and new songs. Sometimes I even play along with a backing track to make it more fun.
Playing with a backing track sounds interesting. It must make the music sound fuller.
Yes, it does. It feels like I am playing in a band. I also like to listen to famous piano pieces and try to learn them by ear. It is challenging but very rewarding.
I like to listen to popular guitar songs and try to play them. I sometimes watch videos online to learn new techniques. The internet is a great resource for learning music.
It really is. There are many free tutorials and sheet music available. I feel lucky to have so many learning tools.
Me too. I think music is a wonderful way to express feelings. When I play the guitar, I feel happy and sometimes even a little bit adventurous.
I feel the same when I play the piano. The music helps me relax and forget my worries. It is like painting with sound.
That is a beautiful way to describe it. Do you have a favorite song that you like to play on the piano?
Yes, I do. I really like to play Claire de Lune by Debussy. It is a very soft and gentle piece. I also enjoy playing some pop songs that are simple and fun.
I love pop songs as well. One of my favorite songs to play on the guitar is Perfect by Ed Sheeran. It has very nice chords and a romantic melody.
That sounds lovely. I have heard that song before, and it is very beautiful. I would like to learn it someday.
I can show you the chords if you want. It is not too hard, and you can play it slowly at first.
I would like that very much. Maybe we can practice together sometime.
Yes, that would be great. Sharing music with a friend makes it even more enjoyable.
Tom, do you play any other instruments besides the guitar?
No, I mostly play the guitar. Sometimes I try to play a little bit of the ukulele because it is similar and very fun, but my main instrument is the guitar. How about you? Do you play other instruments?
I mainly play the piano, but I also like to experiment with a small keyboard and learn simple melodies. I have tried the flute a little bit, but I find the piano more comfortable for me.
That is interesting. The piano is a very versatile instrument, and it can be the base for learning other instruments too.
Yes, I think so. Learning the piano has helped me understand music theory and read sheet music. It is a good starting point for many musicians.
I agree. Playing the guitar has taught me about chords and strumming patterns. It also makes me appreciate other instruments like the piano, drums, and even the violin.
Each instrument has its own sound and feeling. I love how music can be so different depending on the instrument you play.
Music is truly universal. No matter what instrument you play, it brings people together.
Tom, do you listen to music when you study or do other activities?
Yes, I do. I like to listen to soft music when I study. It helps me concentrate and relax. I often play instrumental guitar music in the background.
I also listen to music while studying. I like to play calm piano music. It makes the room feel peaceful and bright.
That is a good idea. Music can change the mood of a room and help us work better.
Exactly. Sometimes I even use music as a break. I play a short song on my guitar or piano to relax before I continue studying.
I do the same. A little music break makes studying more enjoyable.
Tom, have you ever been to a live music concert?
Yes, I have. Last summer, I went to a small concert in the park. Several local musicians played the guitar, drums, and even the piano. It was very fun to watch them perform.
That sounds wonderful. I love live music. I went to a piano recital at my school last month. The students played different pieces, and it was very inspiring.
I like live concerts because you can feel the energy of the music and see the musicians up close.
Yes, and sometimes the musicians talk to the audience and share their experiences. It makes the concert feel personal.
I hope to go to more concerts in the future. Maybe we can go to a concert together someday.
That would be great. Tom, do you have a favorite music genre besides pop songs?
Yes, I also like rock music. I enjoy listening to rock guitar solos and energetic songs. Sometimes I even try to play rock songs on my guitar.
Rock music is very exciting. I like to listen to a little bit of jazz as well. Jazz piano music is very smooth and free.
Jazz is wonderful. It is very creative and different every time you hear it.
Yes, I love how jazz musicians improvise and make each performance unique.
Music is a great way to express emotions. I feel happy when I play my favorite songs, and sometimes I even feel a little bit adventurous.
I feel the same. When I play the piano, I can express my feelings, whether I am happy, calm, or even a little sad.
That is the magic of music. It helps us share our emotions without words.
Tom, do you have any musical role models or favorite musicians?
Yes, I do. I really like Ed Sheeran. His guitar songs are very beautiful and easy to play. I also admire Jimi Hendrix for his amazing rock guitar skills.
Ed Sheeran is great. I love his songs too. For piano, I admire Ludovico Einaudi. His music is very calm and emotional.
I have heard of Ludovico Einaudi. His piano pieces are wonderful and make me feel relaxed.
Yes, I often listen to his music when I want to unwind. It is interesting how different musicians inspire us.
It is. I sometimes watch interviews with Ed Sheeran to learn about his creative process. It makes me want to practice more.
I also watch videos of my favorite pianists to understand their techniques. Learning from others is very helpful.
Tom, do you think playing a musical instrument is important?
Yes, I believe that playing an instrument is very important. It helps you learn discipline, practice, and creativity. It also makes you feel good when you play music.
I agree. Learning to play the guitar has taught me patience and how to work hard to improve.
It is also a fun way to express yourself. Music is a universal language that everyone can understand.
Exactly. No matter where you are from, music can bring people together.
Tom, what are your future plans with music? Do you want to learn more songs or try new instruments?
Yes, I do. I want to learn more songs on the guitar, especially some rock and pop songs. I also plan to try playing the ukulele more often because it is small and fun.
That is exciting. I want to continue learning new piano pieces and maybe even try composing my own music. I also think about taking a few singing lessons.
Singing would be a great addition to your music skills. I would like to learn more about music theory too, so I can understand the notes and chords better.
Yes, learning music theory is very helpful. It makes you a better musician.
I look forward to practicing together and maybe even performing in front of our friends someday.
That would be wonderful. Sharing music with friends makes it even more special. Tom, do you have any last thoughts about our favorite instruments?
Yes, I do. I think the guitar is a wonderful instrument because it is versatile and fun to play. I love how it sounds in different music styles, from pop to rock.
I feel the same about the piano. The piano is very expressive and can play many different styles of music. It makes me feel calm and creative.
Music is very important in our lives. It helps us express our feelings and brings us joy.
Yes, and playing an instrument is a great way to learn, relax, and have fun. I am very happy that we both love music and play different instruments.
Me too, Lily. I hope we can practice together more often and maybe even perform in a small concert someday.
That would be a dream come true. Thank you for talking with me today about our favorite instruments. I enjoyed our conversation very much.
Thank you, Lily. I enjoyed it too. It is always nice to share our experiences and ideas about music.
I look forward to our next conversation. Maybe we can talk about our favorite songs or our music lessons.
Yes, I would like that very much. Have a great day, Tom. See you soon.
Have a great day, Lily. See you next time.
Great job! Do you want to practice your English and become more fluent? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English conversations. See you in the next video.